Good morning, students. Welcome to you in e-learning classes of Standard 7 is organized by Modern English School, Nevada. I myself, Revti Raman, mathematics teacher of Modern English School, New Area, Nevada. Students, today I shall solve exercise 7B of chapter 7, linear equation. In question number 13 is written on this board here, find two consecutive positive odd integers. Find two consecutive positive odd integers whose sum is 76. Let odd number means 1, 3, 5, 7. The difference between two odd number is 2. Any number multiplied by 2 is changed into even number, and even number plus 1 is odd number, such that 6 is a even number. 6 plus 1 7. 7 is a odd number. So let two consecutive odd number, odd integers be, first odd integer be 2x plus 1, and second is 2x plus 1 plus 2. That means 2x plus 3. According to question, students, this question is saying that find two consecutive positive odd integers whose sum is 76. So 2x plus 1 plus 2x plus 3 equal to 76. Now solve it. That implies 2x plus 2x, that means 4x. 1 plus 3 equal to 4 equal to 76. That implies 4x equal to plus 4 by transposition change into minus 4. So 76 minus 4. That implies 4x equal to 76 minus 4 equal to 72. Now here 4x equal to 72. 4 is multiplied here by transposition, change into divide. So x equal to 72 by 4. That means 18. Now consecutive odd integers, positive odd integers is first integer is 2x plus 1. That means 2x plus 18 plus 1. 18 to the 36 plus 1 37. And next number is 2x plus 3 equal to 2 into 18 plus 3. 2 into 18 means 36 plus 3 39. Answer. It is also answer. So 37 and 39 are two consecutive positive integer whose sum is 76. Write it. Students, next question is question number 15. Divide 184 into two parts such that 1/3 of one part may exceed 1/7 of the other part by 8. 1/3 of one part is greater than 1/7 of the other part by 8. So let the one part be x. Let the one part be x. The other part equal to 184 minus x. 184 minus x. One part be x and the other part equal to 184 minus x. According to question, one third of one part means x by 3. One third of one part means x by 3 equal to other part 1 by 7 into 184 minus x. X by 3 is greater than 1/7 of 184 minus x by 8. So 1 by 7th of second part, other part, add by 8, then both parts are equal. So solve it. X by 3, 1 by 7 into 184, that means 184 by 7 minus x by 7 plus 8. Now it is cancelled. 7 2 ja 40. But write not cancel, so write it 184 by 7. Now variable write in one same side. So x by 3 plus x by 7 equal to 184 by 7 plus 8. So taken LCM is 7. 184 plus 8 7 is 56. Now solve it. Here taken LCM of 3 and 7 is 21. 3 7 is 21, so 7x plus 7 3 is 21, so 3x. Now by 7, 184 plus 56, 6 plus 4, 10, of right 0. 6 plus 4, 10, of 0, carry 1. 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 8, 14, of 4, carry 1, and 1 1, 2. 1 1, 2. So 7 3 is 21. Here 7x plus 3x, sorry. That implies 7x plus 3x, 10x by 3 into 240. That implies x equal to 240 by 10 by 3 by transposition change into 3 by 10. So 0 to 0 cancel. 24 3 is 72. Answer. One number. Other number is 184 minus x. 184 minus x. That means 184 minus 72 equal to 4 minus 2 2, 8 minus 7 1, 112. Answer. Write it. Next question. Next question is question number 19. A father is 30 years older than his son. A father is 30 years older than his son. In 12 years, the man will be 3 times as old as his son. Find their present age. Let man's present age be x years. Let man's present age be x years. A father is 30 years older than his son. Let man's present age be x years. The son's present age equal to x minus 30. Father 30 years older than his son. So son says x minus 30, then man says x years. Or let the man's present age be x years, then the son's present age be x minus 30 years. Now in 12 years, the man will be 3 times as old as his son. Find their present age. So after 12 years, after 12 years, man says, after 12 years, man x plus 12, x plus 12 years, son x minus 30 plus 12. That means x minus 18. According to question, the man will be 3 times as old as his son. According to question, man will be, so man says be x plus 12 equal to 3 times the as old as his son. So son's age be x minus 18. So 3 into x minus 18. Now x plus 12, that implies x plus 12 equal to, remove the bracket, 3 into x, 3x, minus 18, 3 is 54. Now solve it. X plus 3x by transposition change into minus 3x. Minus 54 by minus 54. Now plus 12 by transposition change into minus 12. That implies x minus 3x minus 2x minus 54 minus 12. That means 4 plus 2, 6. 5 plus 1, 6. Minus 2 minus cancel. That implies x equal to 66 by 12. So 33. Now man says, man's present age is 33 years. Answer. And son's present age, son x minus 33. So x minus 30 equal to 33 minus 30 equal to 3 years. Answer. Write it. Students, next and last question is question number 24. A number consists of 2 digits whose sum is 8. If 18 is added to the number, its digits are reversed. Find the number. In 2 digits number, there are 2 places, units and tens. So let tens be x. Then units equal to, the sum of 2 digits is 8. So one of them is x, then units be 8 minus x, because whose sum is 8. 8 minus x. Find the number. Therefore, the number equal to, number means 2 digits number, such that 64 is a 2 digits number. In 64, 4 is units and 6 is tens. So it means 10 into 6 plus 4. 10 into tens plus units. So in this way, the number equal to 10 into tens. So 10x plus 8 minus x equal to 10x minus x, that means 9x plus 8. Now find the reverse number. Reverse number means 10 into units. So 8 minus x plus 10. So x. Solve it. 10 into 8. 10 into 8, 80. Minus 10x plus x. That means 80 minus 9x. Students, now if 18 is added to the number, so according to question, 18 is added to the number. Here number is 9x plus 8. So 9x plus 8. In this number 18 is added. Now number is reverse. So reverse number is 80 minus 9x. So right here 80 minus 9x. Solve this equation. Now 9x minus 9x by transposition change into plus 9x equal to 80. 8 plus 18, 26. 8 plus 18, 26. So plus 26 by transposition change into minus 26. Now 9x plus 9x, 18x. Now subtract it. 10 minus 6, 4. And 7 minus 2, 5. That implies x equal to 54 by 18. That means 18 3 is 54. 3. Therefore, the number equal to, here number is 9x plus 8. So 9x plus 8 equal to 9 into 3. The value of x is 3. So 9 into 3 plus 8. 9 3 is 27. 27 plus 8, 35. The sum of its digits is 3 plus 5, 8. 3 plus 5, 8. So answer. Students, today homework is solve exercise 7b. Question number 13 to 24. Students, today your homework is solve exercise 7b, question number 13 to 24. Thank you. That's all.